How to disable Namedrop on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, go to AirDrop. The AirDrop settings page allows you to control who can send you content by setting AirDrop to receiving off, contacts only, or everyone. All nearby Apple devices can see your device. From here, select Receiving Off. Then, go to the Start Sharing By section and turn off the Bringing Devices Together feature. This way, you get more control over your experience with the feature and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily disable Namedrop on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.